was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Tiptoeing in my Jordans, I done came down, tiptoeing in my Jordans. Just cop the Porsche, tiptoeing in my foreign. You motherfuckers boring, you sleeping on me snoring. Don't worry, cause I'm...
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Juice coming at you with another video. Today we are going over what is the difference of a big 62 sprocket versus completely 43 stock OEM sprocket, right? I recently, thanks to a YouTuber named Pink Baby Doll, she sent me in this sprocket so I can make longer trips, like for example to Dallas or something like that. And so I'm gonna go see if I can still do a wheelie. So far the difference is I can really keep up now. Alright, here's one thing. You gotta know that with a stunt sprocket, man, you're gonna lose a lot of top speed. Meaning you're gonna really accelerate extremely fast, but you're gonna run out of basically like RPMs, right? And so your bike's gonna be screaming. You could be going like 80 miles an hour on the freeway and it's just screaming to shift, but there ain't no more gears to shift to. So going back stock, man, it's almost like I don't know what this car is doing right here, but that's crazy. But you don't trip about stuff like that. So right now I definitely want to go test this out over here at what do you call it, damn, no fucks given. Bitch, I'll fucking kill your stupid ass. You wanna pull this shit over? You wanna pull this shit over and box, nigga? Huh? That's what the fuck I thought, bitch. I'll beat your stupid old ass, man. I don't get no road rage, but man, how can that's like the ultimate disrespect right there? Like, I'm literally abiding by the traffic laws, and in H-Town, man, it don't fucking matter, bro. Other people got somewhere to be. Would I really have fought him? Hell the fuck yeah. Two-pieced the shit out of him, caught everything on camera. But look, man, like I said, with this sprocket, right, if I would have gave it that much gas on the when I had the stunt sprocket, holy shit, my whole bike would have lifted off the ground. You know what I'm saying? To me, the stunt sprocket, the whole theory of it is when you clutch up, you don't have to give as much gas. And when you get up there at idle, which is pretty much where the bike is carrying itself in a wheelie, you don't have to put too many inputs in. You don't have to give it no throttle inputs to correct it, to give it more height. It's usually like the idle's going to be carrying you back up, you know what I'm saying? Because the sprocket's so big that the acceleration matches, like it's probably like physics or something like that. You know, I probably ain't go to class. I know I ain't go to class. Y'all don't know that, but I do. So we're gonna go to some of my parking lots that I usually go to and try out this 43T sprocket. I tried second gear the other day. Holy shit, the bike felt completely heavy. I feel for you guys trying to learn balance point on stock sprockets. I almost want to say, man, I mean I practice a lot when it comes to basic ass wheelies, but I almost want to say that it's not fair to you guys. I don't know where they going, but I don't know where these cats going, man, but that's the type of shit in H-Town that you see all the damn time. People just alright, I might have to get used to that. Shifting the gear feels a little different. I got to be at a higher RPM. Usually I'd be like in third, fourth gear right now, like in second or third. So It's pretty strange. I love it because I get to go further. So guys, if you're in the Houston area, man, hit your boy up. But right now we're gonna see how this sprocket holds up to slow wheelies. Ooh, I definitely gotta turn that the idle up though. We're gonna do 30, we're gonna do 2,500. See how that feels right now. All right, come on. My God, look at that, 43 teeth. What would you know? It's not even that bad. I almost don't notice a difference. There we go, police officer. I hope he ain't gonna worry about what I'm doing over here, cause I'm keeping it in my lane. And if he does say something, when you're in a parking lot like this, man, they usually don't be tripping on you. Okay, so that was first gear. As you can see, I'm gonna do another one real quick. I'm not the one for like tricks, not just yet. But a 43T sprocket, I can still go to Dallas and go join the stunt lot over there. Alright guys, I'm just trying to see how much throttle I can give it while I'm at balance point, and seeing how much brake it takes me to put me back at a good spot. So right now, 2,500 RPM. Hey, it's simple. Anybody can go out here and do it. I just did seat stander right now on a 43 sprocket. You don't believe me? We'll do it again. Why are wheelies so fucking fun? I'm not sure. All right. Okay, guys, so I just wanted to go ahead and test that out. Let's try second gear right here. In the second gear right now. Woo, butterflies. God damn. Yeah, I gotta give this bitch a lot of gas to even get it to come up. That's first, second. I guess I gotta be rolling faster. I definitely gotta be rolling a lot faster in second gear when I'm trying to do my second gear wheelies. Okay, that's the trick. Second gear, baby. Dang, what's happening, y'all?
That's a nice old motorcycle. You got a GoPro?
Yeah, I got some GoPros, man. What's happening, y'all?
You a YouTuber?
Huh?
You a YouTuber?
Yeah, I'm YouTuber, man.
What's your YouTuber name?
I be cussing and stuff, so
What's your YouTuber name?
I'm Jewsa.
You what, Juices?
Jewsa.
Oh, so you what? Like you?
Yeah. You'll see me. Yeah, man, you can take a picture. Come on, man. Hey, let's all take a picture, man. Somebody got to take the picture, though.
I'll take it.
You gonna take it?
Then I'm gonna do it. Do a selfie.
Y'all don't ride bikes?
No, we do. I do. My cousin has a might take a picture. All right, I do. Now next I'm getting the picture.
All right, come on, man. Everybody getting a picture.
Hey. No, he get choked or something.
Ah, come on, man.
Got it.
Yes, sir. All right, guys.
Let me see your face.
Man, my face. Y'all ain't see my face. I stay over here. What's happening, man? And they caught me in the mix. Huh?
Can we see your face?